Hi there, my name is Andre, and today we're going to be going over how to update your domain settings to get your custom domain working with Hushmail. I know it can be daunting or confusing to dig into the back end of your domain, but don't worry, we're going to be going through these steps together one at a time. Before we get started, you may want to double check that this is the right video for you. The steps to update domain settings can be very similar for each domain host, but I can be much more helpful to you if this is the video that's specific to your domain host. So let's go ahead and get started. This is what you'll see when you sign in to GoDaddy. There are a couple of ways that we can approach this. I'm going to show you the most straightforward way. We're just going to scroll down here. It may be that you have different domains set up here, so this may look slightly different. But I'm going to scroll down and we're going to go to find the domain that we want to update. If this was your company, then it might be, yourcompany.com or something along those lines. But what we're going to do is to the right here, I'm going to click on where it says DNS. So we're here in the DNS management now, and we're going to scroll down. We're going to make sure that there aren't any other records with the type that says MX. So far I have an A, an S, CNAME, SOA. I don't see any MX records. That's M as in Mary, X as in xylophone. I don't see any of those, so looks like we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says add here in the top right hand corner, and then we're just going to go down this row here. So the type will be MX. The name here will be just the @ symbol. Priority will be the number 10. And the value will be plsmtp1.hushmail.com. For TTL, we're going to set that to 1 hour. And we're going to click Add Record. We're going to add another one in here. This is going to be almost identical. It's going to be MX. The name is going to be set to the @ symbol again. Priority will be the number 10. And the value here will be plsmtp2.hushmail.com. And we'll set that to 1 hour. Add record. Each time we add one of the records, you'll notice they get added here at the bottom. We're going to add in our SPF record now. To add in the SPF record, we're just going to click on Add. For type, this time we're going to select TXT. The name is going to be the @ symbol. And the value will be v equals SPF1 include : spf.hushmail.com space -all. 1 hour for the TTL. Add record. Great. So we have our MX records in there and we have our SPF record. I'm going to go in and we're going to add the DKIM record. So if I go in here, we're going to go select CNAME. And we're going to copy and paste a couple things. So let's go here, add a CNAME record for the DKIM. So we're going to select that, copy it. DNS management, we're going to set this to hush._domain key. The value will be _dkim.hushmail.com, and the TTL will be 1 hour. Add record. And then the last one is going to be the DMARC. For type, we're going to select TXT. The name will be _ and then DMARC. And for the value, and there we go. Set that to 1 hour as well. Add record. And that's it. That's it. You're all set. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You'll find some useful links below, but we're always here for you if you need us. Thanks again for choosing Hushmail and have a great rest of your day.